let me welcome Jakub on stage. Round of applause. He will share the latest cursor capabilities. And by the way, a small message. There is something coming up soon, Cursor 2.0. I cannot share with you that it will show up in next weeks with plenty of new stuff to talk about. So maybe another round would be needed next month. Jakub, but stage is yours now.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Kuba. I'm front-end developer. And today I want to talk about some new features of Cursor like Plan Mode. So you've seen it already, but from my front-end perspective, it's a bit different. So I think you all can find something useful. But let's start with a story. Who knows that? You have an idea, you go to the Cursor chat and roughly describe the task. AI starts working on it, but then you spot the mistake and you tell AI to fix this. But then it escalates very quickly and AI makes the same mistake over and over again, and you are so frustrated that you close the Cursor chat and you will do it yourself. Everyone knows that, so it's very common in AI world. But what if there will be a better way? And here comes Plan Mode. Maybe it's not a perfect solution that solves every problem, but it can make things a lot of easier and can bring you much more control. And now it's live coding time. I'm surprised that I am the only one who do live coding, but let's see. And wrong. Okay, so we will be building the simple design from Figma. I found yeah, it's just a simple layout. I didn't want to make it complex because Figma MCP is not very great for complex designs, but this should be done good. Here's the newsletter form with only interactive part. And as you can see, I have the Figma MCP server enabled. And it's also worth mentioning that there is a interesting setting in the Figma MCP because you can set up how Figma will handle images. So if you have this design, the MCP can host the images on your local server. Use just a placeholder, but also can download them to your project, so you don't need to do it manually. But for now, let's leave the local server. And yeah, we can start building. And for yeah, important part is that we have this section selected, so the MCP server will see this. Okay, and now it's time to code. So, Paweł, can I have my human mic holder, please?
Let me be your MCP server for Mike.
Yeah. Okay. So we will. Yeah. To enter Plan Mode, it's the Shift Tab shortcut. So Cloud Code users should be familiar with this. And we can just start with simple build the app from the Figma design. And that should be enough for the agent to start planning and see our design. So let's see. Yeah, it's calling the Figma MCP. And after a while, yeah, we should see how the planning phase looks like. Oh, yeah. And now it's a great part about Plan Mode because it ask questions to clarify, because many times when you use LLMs, you are not totally clear what you want from AI, and these questions are very powerful and could make this more clear for AI. And here we need to choose what framework do we want to use. And I will go with the Next.js because we want to also implement the contact form, so it will be the easiest framework. Let's use Tailwind. And here single page, but let's also clarify that make the contact form functional with API call to the Next.js API route. Okay, and if you are not, if the question is not clear for you, you can also elaborate so the agent can explain for you. So this planning phase is iterative, and you can make as many questions to AI as you want. And here we can see our ready plan. And you can also edit it directly. So if you have to add something or clarify, you can edit it manually, or as I said, just ask again. And now we can click build, but there is another way. And with clicking build directly here, there's one problem. This is a problem because context, as you may know, is limited for all models, and AI models are good at doing one job at a time. So when the context window is large enough, the quality of the answer from the LLM can be worse. So it's good to it's totally fine if you have a simple task, but if it's a more complex one, like 10 to-dos or more, I recommend to start a new chat and then just say let's implement, and here you can reference the plan file, and also let's make sure that cursor will use the Figma MCP again, because there's a fresh context, so it needs to see the designs again in order to implement it. Yeah, and that should be it. And in a while we should see this working. And if when the agent is building, so may I ask you who's already used the plan mode in cursor? Okay, that's good. And yeah, so as you may see or recognize, those features of like those patterns of plan mode is widely recognized in the prompt engineering world. So it was known for a while that instructions like let's plan before to build it, or first ask me questions if I missed something. It was known before, but Cursor team implemented it directly to their IDE, and it works very smoothly. And yeah, it is creating. So yeah, we need to wait a bit. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Not always. I mean, Cursor changed this policy of allow list, deny list recently. So now there is allow list of comments. So I use it, and Figma is just on the allow list. So if you install the new MCP server, probably Cursor will ask you how would you like to run it, and yeah, I just allow Figma to run all their tools. Yeah, for me, Sonnet is the best, and it's my favorite model since, I don't know, 3.5 version. I like how it's integrated with Cursor because for me, the way how Sonnet handles all the tool calls inside the Cursor. As you can see, the deletion is, I need to accept it. So yeah, Sonnet for me is just the best in terms of integration with Cursor. I am surprised why, for example, Gemini is not working for me the similar way as Claude, but yeah, for me the feeling is just the best in Sonnet. Yeah, so yeah, it's not very good now. When I tried this, it went faster about I don't know, 2 minutes, I think. But yeah, it's AI live demo, so everything can happen. Yeah, exactly. Today was a bad day, and yeah, I think yeah, hopefully not. But now. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's why. But yeah, if he won't manage to do this, I have ready page, so I can show you and go to the next part. But let's see if he can build it. I can also mention that I experimented with Figma MCP for a while, and it's not as good as we all expect probably yet. But if you have a good design structure like design tokens, colors, components, etc., it can be quite useful, and for smaller sections or fast prototyping, it's very good. And also, as you saw on my example, Figma can be also used as a context provider, because sometimes you don't need to have documentation for your project. You only have designs. So you can start with the Figma design as a context. Of course, it's not very token efficient, but yeah, that's one of options. And yeah, it's done. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the server should be now running, and yay, it works. Okay, so as you can see, it seems pretty good. There's this newsletter form, but I don't want to click it myself. And I will use Playwright MCP or browser use to check it. And yeah, we can already enter the new chat. Paweł, can I please have you? Paweł? Okay. So now, if we have our page ready, we don't need to click it manually, but we can do this also in the cursor. There is a browser use, not native browser use in cursor. That's one option. Under the hood, it uses Playwright MCP, so it should be familiar for those of you that use it. But it has some smart optimization and tweaks that works just better in cursor. So, for example, logs are stored in the file and can be grabbed. So context is optimized, and the screenshots can be used for visual reference. But I won't use the browser now. I will use the Chrome DevTools MCP because what is great about Chrome DevTools is that it's the best MCP for DevTools usage. So it implements many features from Chrome DevTools like network inspection or performance trace. So let's use it to test if this newsletter form is working. So check the newsletter form on, yeah, let's add the URL to make sure it does not go into any bad page. And also add that what is the server response after registration. Okay, so I want to show you the this. Oh yeah, and now MCP opens. Oops. Yeah. What is happening? Yeah, it worked, but now it's not. Okay, let's clear the cache. I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, the MCP can open the browser by itself. And yeah, nothing is happening. Wait a sec. It's here. Okay. So it stopped working.
Beauty of live demos. You're the first one so brave to make it live. Don't worry. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We know how it hurts. It was working the whole week, and now you have a CEO in the room, and everything is crashing. I get it daily.
Maybe let's try again. Let's manually run the dev server
But you know, Jakub, we trust you that it works. You don't have to prove to us.
Okay, on the new port. Okay, so let's try this again. And wait, but it's not. Oh, okay, yeah, it's here. Oh, as you can see, it types. Oh, yeah, now it works. So you could see that MCP typed the email into this input and subscribe. it figures it out by its own. And now what I want to show you is that, this one. This one? No. Yeah, it didn't do what I wanted because... okay, yeah, here it is. So this is exclusive feature of Chrome DevTools MCP. And as you can see, after listing all of the network requests, it's also available in the Playwright, but Chrome DevTools can also get details of single request. And as you can see, it's all data that you have available in the network tab in the DevTools. So we can see here all requests headers, all response headers, and also the response body that we were interested. So in the end, the agent answer our question correctly. And yeah, live demo is done. I'm shocked that it worked. And yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, so just to sum up, plan mode is great to catch early mistakes and align the model with your thoughts. Agent can ask questions to remove ambiguity, and also those questions can make you think about things that you haven't thought earlier. And saving the plan, as Łukasz, for example, showed earlier, is great for spec-driven development. So you can reference those files later and build history. Figma MCP is good for fast prototyping, but it's not perfect yet, and you can't expect pixel perfect layouts in one shot. And browser use and Chrome DevTools are great for another step in this agentic workflow, because now agent can debug itself. So it's great to just tell the agent to do some path and check logs or network tab and figure out the mistake by its own. And Chrome DevTools have some exclusive features that are great in terms of advanced front-end development. And yeah, that's it. Remember, at the end, you are in control, and I hope this presentation can help you to... Thank you. Do you have any questions?
Did you probably maybe test other models for testing, for for planning? Which one are the best for the plan mode itself?
For plan mode itself, I didn't, but before plan mode, before plan mode and before Sonnet 4.5, I used GPT-5, and with this high effort of thinking, it works pretty well in terms of planning and this high level thinking. Before GPT-5, I also used Gemini Pro, but as I said, I'm not a fan of how Gemini works inside the cursor. So maybe it's not just the front-end stuff, because I also worked on some side projects on backend with Python or machine learning. And I just feel that Sonnet suits best for me.
Yeah, thank you for your talk. So I have a question about Chrome DevTools and this visual computer use. Can you please share some examples on how to use it on your workflow? Do you prompt it to automatically verify its own changes, or maybe have some automations to use it?
In terms of Chrome DevTools, it's very new, so I haven't used it in the daily work many times, but I found useful that it can read the network logs. So if I had some error with the API communication, I could ask the agent to check this, and it's easier to figure out. For example, if you have the backend on the separate project or some complicated microservices in services that just run the app in the browser and check the actual response, then just going through the code and all those repositories. And in terms of Playwright and screenshots, screenshots can be helpful when you are implementing some designs, but last time I just didn't have such tasks, but I tested Playwright to make some testing paths. It's quite slow now, but it can handle like going through the e-commerce shop and buy product. So yeah, for manual testing, it can be useful when you have a few paths to click and the agent can just do some part for you.
Thank you. Great presentation. Thank you, Jakub. Round of applause.